In this video I'm going to show you how to add time and date in Google Forms. So what we will do, we will log into our Google account. After that we will select the Forms option. Now, once we are there, we will select a blank form and we will create a new form for this video. So what we will do, we will call it date and time. And after that we need to select the first one. So what we will do here, we will go to the multiple choice option, select it, then go all the way down and select date. And here you can add something like on which date are you available. So once you have added that, then you will see that there is a calendar option. Now what people can do, once it is ready, then they can add a date when they are available. So we will select required because we want to make it required to fill this in. And after that we will do the same for the time. So on which time are you available? So we will select it, copy and paste it, and we will change the word date into time. And then we will select the multiple choice option again and then select the time option. Once you have done this, also required it to make it required to fill this in. And after that we can check out how it looks. So we will click on the preview option on the right top at the interface. And once you check that, then you will see that there is a calendar option. So people can easily select a date on this. And after that, they also can fill in the time. Let's say they are available at 1 p.m. So we will select 1 and then select p.m. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added the date and time into a Google form. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!